Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record with sound on ShareX so you can capture both your screen and your voice at the same time. Let's get started. First, you want to open your ShareX on your computer and make sure it's running properly since we'll be adjusting some recording settings. Then you want to look at the left sidebar, this section, and you want to click on Task Settings, this one. This is where you can control how your screen captures and recordings behave. So let's click this. Now inside task settings, you want to click on screen recorder, um, this one. This will expand a list of options related to screen recording. So let's go ahead and click this. Now under the screen recorder section, you want to click on screen recording options. A new window should pop up with advanced recording settings. This is where you want to be. In this window, find the line that says audio. This one, audio source. And by default, it might be set to none. This one, none, which means no sound will be recorded. So what you want to do, you want to click this, click the drop-down menu next to the audio source, and you want to select your microphone. So let's go ahead and select my microphone. There we go. Now this tells ShareX to record your voice during the screen capture. And basically that's it. You're now ready to record your screen with sound using ShareX. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.